What is up, guys? Welcome to my video. My name is Mackenzie. If you are new here, I am a new YouTuber. I'm going to be doing like a mixture of videos, hair, makeup tutorials, things that you can do cheap and on a budget that can cater to any audience. So today I just wanted to show you guys how you can do a quick and easy beach wave look with your hair using only a straightener. And so I'm going to basically get right into the video. So let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I do when I get out of the shower, let my hair dry a bit, and then I use this. It's called Aquage Silkening Oil Treatment. It creates silky smooth, frizz-free hair. It's almost gone because I use it a lot. I just do one pump in my hand and start at the roots, just bringing it down to apply it all throughout my hair. Make sure that you don't like apply it like all in one spot. Make sure you're constantly moving around if you do get this product, because it will make it look like oily. That's why I apply it when it's wet. And then always before you apply heat to your hair, make sure that you're using a heat protectant. So I just use this one for now. It's cheap. I think it was like $3 at Walmart. So far it's worked really well for me and it smells really good. So definitely pick that up if you are using a straightener, curling wand, anything like that. So I applied that in my hair already. I just spray it all over and on the ends. And today, since my hair is like so clean, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this Not Your Mother's dry shampoo just to kind of give it a little bit more texture and body. Okay, and then just kind of run your fingers through it, otherwise it'll look like you have gray, dirty hair. So it's all ready to go. So all you need for this is, which you don't even have to use the products that I just showed you, but like I said, over anything would definitely use a heat protectant just to protect your hair, because it can cause damage. I'm going to be using my Form Well Beauty Kendall Jenner straightener. I did do a review on this straightener, so if you haven't seen that video yet, make sure you go check that out. So I'm just gonna use this, and I am going to divide half of my hair. So I'm gonna tie up the top half and leave the bottom half down. All right, voila. So I'm gonna scoot back a little bit. Oh, it's kind of a thicker, like divided thicker than I would like. Okay, so I recommend starting with much smaller pieces, just because the way you're gonna do these beach waves, they're kind of touchy and you have to do them like at the perfect angle to get them. So I'm just using mine on, I don't know if you can see it, 410 degrees, which is a lot more heat than I normally use. But for these, I'm just gonna use it today. So you grab a small strand and then you start up at the root, and then you just tilt it up, tilt it down, tilt it up, tilt it down, tilt it up, and then down and release. And you will get something like that. I'm gonna keep going just so I can show you guys a little bit better so you can see it a couple more times. Okay, start up at the top. And you can kind of see how it like crimps your hair a little bit. Release. There's one. I'm just gonna keep going until the bottom half is finished. Okay. And you want to release on the bottoms so that way the ends are straight. Okay, so grab this up at the root, tilt up, tilt down, tilt up, down, up, down. All right, and since we are back up at the front, last little piece. Okay, there's that. All right, got to do the other side, so I'm gonna fast forward a little bit. Okay, so we have the bottom half done. They are not too intense. They just look like literally you just came out of the water at the beach. I love them. It just gives your hair some texture and body. Makes it look like so simple and just so cute with not a lot of effort to it. Except it does kill your hand. If you have long hair, be prepared. Not that mine's like super long, but long enough. I want to show you guys again. Okay. Up, down, up, down, up, down. And let go. And that's what it'll look like. All right, last two up front. Voila. And it also kind of just looks like it's a little crimped. Remember when crimping used to be in style? Which people still do it these days, but like actual crimping. Here, so there's the beach waves on that side. All right, we got the top left to do and then it is done. I'm just gonna do little sections at a time. Okay, so the last, getting the hair divided, and we'll start over here. All right, the last part. Of this section. Okay, and getting to the last piece up front, I'm just gonna grab it. Maybe I'll do it in two pieces since it's like right up front. And you want to make sure okay, and the last piece right here. All right, so now just run your fingers through it. for some reason, this side always turns out more like, looks more crimped, but this is the finished look, guys, and it's super quick and super easy. You can style it however you want. And just remember, use a heat protectant, and you know, if you want some body, or you know, your hair is really clean and you want the texture to stay better in your hair, use some dry shampoo, just spray it on your roots, maybe a little bit through the rest of your hair, but otherwise you can use this for any occasion. You can dress it up, you can dress it down. So that is a tutorial just using a hair straightener, how to do beach waves. I hope you like this video. Make sure to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. Like I said, I'll be uploading new videos coming very soon, so make sure you stay tuned for that. That's it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.